Hey, what's up guys, Mitchell here again, and today we are going to review the value for your money smartphone, and let's get into it. This phone is absolutely value for your money smartphone because I will not say it's a budget phone, but it's more than that. And this phone is actually the Camon 15 Pro. There's three phones on this Camon 15 Pro series. So there's Camon 15 itself, and also there's Camon 15 Pro and Camon 15 Premier. In this particular video, we're gonna go with Camon 15 Pro, and I'll try to get in contact with Tecno Camon if they may give me a free Tecno 15 for a review, so I may have an actual impression of it, even though I'm an upcoming tech YouTuber. So guys, a sub will do us better. So guys, go ahead and hit that subscription button. You're gonna not believe the price of this particular phone, the Camon 15 Pro. So the price of this phone is actually $200 in Kenyan shillings. It's gonna be 20,000 Kenyan shillings, and the specs in this particular phone, they are absolutely mind-blowing. The screen of this phone, the Tecno Camon 15 Pro, is that it has got 6.6 inches screen. So the cool thing about this phone is that there's no any interruption of selfie. There's no any interruption of a cutout selfie, or any interruption of notch, or even a punch or selfie camera. I'm a gamer, or you watching this, you love watching full HD Netflix movies, or play even HD games with this full HD display without any interruption. Man, this is so crazy. Speaking of selfie camera, it has got a pop-up 32 megapixel selfie camera, and 32 megapixel selfie camera, I mean, that's a very big deal. So I do take some selfies sometimes, and with that 2 megapixel, I mean, this is so cool. The rear cameras, they are actually quad camera because it has got 48 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and also QVGA camera. I mean, I'm trying to relate those quad camera with quality megapixel in the price of $200. I mean, in Kenyan shillings, it's gonna be 20,000. I mean, that is absolutely value for your money. The other main agenda about this particular channel is that after we unbox a particular phone, we're gonna be testing that phone's camera qualities on wild animals, maybe to may pass a message to the world. I don't know, but guys, give us a sub, and we're gonna appreciate it because this channel gonna grow, and we're gonna be able to do all that. So guys, hit that subscription button for us to grow. This phone actually runs on a 6 gigs of RAM and a storage of 128 GB storage. I mean, this is what I'm saying, guys. This phone is value for your money. With that, amazing gigs of RAM and a big capacity, or a big storage, with the price of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. I mean, this phone, you have to go for it. To top up with that, it also has got a cancellor to add more storage to your phone, and also to shoot a video with up to 1080p. So as me as a vlogger, I mean, this phone is absolutely gonna suit me, so that I can be vlogging with this particular phone. So I may try to get Tecno if they may give me an actual phone for me to review it, and also use it to shoot my vlogs. So guys, give us a sub. Let's talk about the capacity of this particular phone's battery, because it has got 4,000 milliamperes. 4,000 milliamperes is okay, but if it was 5,000 milliamperes, this phone would be great. So with 4,000 milliamperes, let me say it's okay battery capacity. This phone actually runs on the latest operating system, which is actually the Android 10. So, and also the chipset of this particular phone is MediaTek. Let me say I trust MediaTek because MediaTek may make this particular phone performance to be very fast. So it's not a Snapdragon, but we trust the MediaTek chipset. So hope this phone on a MediaTek chipset, you're gonna make the performance of this phone very fast. So guys, let me know your thoughts about this particular video, and also about the phone itself, the Tecno Camon 15 Pro. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. So I do not forget to hit the subscription button. So guys, go ahead and give us a sub. So as always, the future waits everyone.